Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, why do you day trade? Answer by Jeremy Newsom. Sorry for some of the terrible answers so far. Geez, I personally day trade for a multitude of reasons. The biggest is because you are not exposed to overnight moves in the market. With your cash on the sidelines, you are ready to redeploy it each day when you have new signals, candles, gaps, movements and volume to interpret. The other reasoning is, most stocks only move strongly for 23 days at any one time. And then they rest. You do not have to wait during the resting periods for the swing trade, and you are able to take advantage of the strong moves. Also, you get to take advantage of the moves when they happen. News, buyouts, earnings can occur, and when you are trading the smaller time frames, like the 15 minutes charts, you can really leverage the risks and potential rewards much better and much faster. I hope this answer gives you a tad bit more clarity. Have an outstanding day. Jeremy Alexander Newsom. Answer by David Van Vliet. I started so I could accumulate enough capital to pursue my own interests instead of answering to the corporate world. I was having to survive people's opinions of me, and there would always be a ceiling to my professional growth if I hadn't gone out on a limb. It is unnecessary the money we have to pay out each month just to live in an apartment, have a car, maintain a healthy eating habit. My goal was to become a passive real estate investor, owning several apartment buildings and getting six-figure checks every month from renters, but now I am not sure that is even ethical. But now that I have been successful, my reasons are as many as my wild imagination. We successful traders have freedoms few else others will ever taste. I am a giver now that I have the power to do so. I would like to travel a little, though I won't get carried away with that. I will go to college for reasons of character growth when I get less busy. There is someone I am planning on retiring, because they've worked hard all their lives and have nothing even into their late 60s. I can try starting businesses and investing in startups. Ultimately, I trade because it is free money. It's just like card counting, except this casino doesn't kick me out for winning. I do not have to worry about the financial aspect of my life anymore. I have total control. I have opportunities to express myself in ways I did not know I could, and I learn far more about the world around me. Answer by Joseph Lee. I'm a part-time day trader, or should I say, a part-time night trader, because I trade in US stocks quite a lot. I live in Singapore, and the whole of the daytime, US stock market is closed and only opens at about 10 or 11 p.m. Singapore time. Hence, I can also call myself a night trader. I trade in both US stocks and Forex. Forex is open 24 hours Monday to Friday. Right now, as I answer your question, some Forex charts in my PC are open and I just glance at them once a while. You may be wondering why I don't mention about trading in Singapore stocks. The reason is because the Singapore stock market is very small compared to countries like USA with a population of about 100 times that of this tiny island. Frankly, it's very difficult to make money trading Singapore stocks because the movement is very slow and volume is often insufficient to buy and then take profit the same day. I love trading in US stocks because the market is huge, movement of stock prices are significant enough to make decent profits within a day or even before market closes. Just to give you an example offhand, last night I bought Walmart, WMT, shares just 2 nights before, 14th of November. It didn't move much, so I waited till last night, 17th of November, and was pleasantly surprised when the stock spiked upward, gapped up, about 6.5%, $91.73 to $97.85, upon market opening. Since I had made some money, I took my profits. I must quickly add that this sort of thing does not happen every night. I don't want to give readers any wrong ideas that you can repeat profits every day. For my case, not every night. Just happened that I bought at the right time, that's all. But then I continued to follow the counter and saw that it was still strong. I bought some shares again, and within about 2 hours, WMT moved up enough, $98.02 to $99, to give me another decent profit, about 10% using 10x leverage. I must also add that I am trading using CFD. Contract for difference. Some readers in US may be wondering how I could possibly be trading on 10x leverage. It's done using CFDs. CFDs, I checked with my brokers, have been banned in US. So in case you think I'm bluffing about 10x leverage, the Singapore government allows retail traders here to trade CFDs. So I closed the trade and took profit a second time. But I must quickly add, this sort of thing doesn't happen every night. There are some nights when nothing happens or I ended up cutting losses. Also, I trade on a leverage of 10 times for most US stocks using CFD. A 1% move in the stock upwards means 10% profit for me and vice versa, for losses. These are some reasons why I day trade. It is an additional source of income if you know how to do it correctly. If I'm successful, I don't have to worry too much if I get retrenched or out of job for a few months because the savings from the profits I've made can help me tide over that period. I'll not claim that day trading can actually allow one to quit one's job immediately. It takes many years to master the skill of successful trading. But it does give one some extra income or pocket money. My objective is someday to master the skills sufficiently to enable me to stop working completely. I'm working hard towards that. If one day I can master the skill to trade profitably, I'll be very happy to even take trading my own funds as a business. Yes, you can treat day trading seriously as a business where you are your own boss. You work in t-shirt and shorts at home. You take breaks anytime you want. Watch Netflix movies while looking at another part of the screen with stock and forex charts. No nasty bosses to breath down your neck or pressurize you to meet sales targets and KPIs. That summarizes why I day trade. You can learn the skill too. Day trading is a good thing. It's not easy, but if you finally succeed, it can be very rewarding. Happy trading.